Continuing on from part 3. Alright, so we're in the Astro backend, the Sanity backend. So basically, we're just going to cd into that Astro backend, and we're just going to hit yarn start. Alright, and we're also going to be setting up the front end to display the Sanity content. So to do that, we just added the markdown property over here in the previous video, and we're just going to import Sanity from astro-sanity, which is a package that we added in the previous video, which you could just add by using yarn add and then astro-sanity. Alright, inside there we're just going to add in a new property that's going to be integrations, and that is going to take an array. And so sanity, then object with the project ID. Alright, and in the project ID, you just need to sign in and get in your project ID from here. Okay. Afterwards, we're just going to add in the data set production. We're just going to copy this. And that is pretty much it, you guys, alright? So that is in terms of the astro.config.mjs. Then we're going to go into our source folder. Let's go into index.astro. Let's try it out. So we're just going to import the use sanity client from astro-sanity. Alright. It's just going to give us a value that it's used over here but never read. So let's just try that. Alright, so let's export an async function of get first post. Alright. Alright, I thought there was something wrong with the alright, so then we're gonna use the query. We're gonna open up parentheses, and then we're gonna get the query type is gonna be a post, or we could call it something else. But we want to call it post because it's going to be a block post. So post, and then const first post equals await use sanity client. Then we're going to pass in the query, as if I remember. Yep, we're going to